Hello friends, in this video I am going to discuss about basic nature of amines, especially aromatic amines. What is meant by basic nature here? It is we are discussing the tendency to donate the electron pair over there. Tendency to donate electron pair, that is called Lewis base over here. How amines donates amines becomes a base over here. Generally amines have lone pairs, right, to donate. That's what they'll easily donate the electron pair. That's what they'll comes under Lewis base. That particular basic nature we are going to discuss. Before we going to discuss the nature, right, let us discuss one particular statement over here. Basic nature of amines are inversely proportional to the resonating structures. Basic nature of amines are inversely proportional to the number of resonating structures. How it is, let us see. Now we have aliphatic acid and aliphatic amines and aromatic amines, aniline over there. In this case, R is a plus psi group. It will release the electrons, right? When it releases electrons, what happens? Electron density on the nitrogen increases. When electron density on the nitrogen increases, what happens? It can easily donate the electrons. In the case of second one, right, there is a problem with the second case. What is the problem is that here the lone pairs and the double bonds in the benzene ring, right, both are in conjugation. Both are in conjugation means what? Instead of donating electrons, what happens is that it will participate in the delocalization. When it participates in the delocalization, what happens? Number of resonating structures continues still here. Okay, as we have already discussed in the previous classes, right? What happens is that it won't readily donate the electron. The tendency to donate the electron pair decreases, right? That's what. This is the first one. That's what we have already mentioned in this case, right? Basic nature of amines are inversely proportional to the number of resonating structures. Now let us see in this case also. The first one is aromatic, second one is aliphatic. In case of first one, right, again the lone pairs are in conjugation. Means what happens? The tendency to donate the electrons decreases, right? That's what. The second one is more basic one. Let us see these two one, okay? This is in conjugation with the double bond, but this is in isolated position with the double bonds over there, right? That's what. It won't participate in the what we call delocalization. That's what. Second one is more basic one. Now let us take these three examples over there. The case of first one, we have only one ring, two rings, three rings, right? What happens in the first case, right? We will get resonating structures comparatively less than that of second one. Okay, comparatively less than that of second one, because here more number of double bonds are in conjugation with the lone pair. That's what. Number of resonating structures gradually increasing from left to right, right? That's what the basic nature is going to be. First one is greater than, second one is greater than, and third one. Now let us take these three now. In these three, now the first double bond which is there over there are in conjugation with the lone pair on the nitrogen is in conjugation with two double bonds. Lone pair is in conjugation with one double bond. Lone pairs are isolated and there are no double bonds over there. Now here where number of resonating structures are more in the case of first one and the second one, because the lone pairs are in conjugation, right? That's what. First one and second one should be the least one comparatively with the fourth, third one and fourth one. Here in the case of third one, right, we have double bond which is sp2 hybridized, right? As this character increases, what happens? Electronegativity increases. When electronegativity increases, what happens? Shared pair shifts towards the electronegative carbon. Then what happens? Electron density on the nitrogen decreases. Comparatively, the tendency to donate the electrons in the case of third one decreases than that of fourth one. That's what. Fourth one is a highly basic one, followed by the third one. In the case of first one and second one, which is more basic, the second one, because it has less resonating structure compared with the first one. That's what. Second followed by the first one. Now generally, let us see the general data. We have all aniline over there. Let us see aniline with the electron releasing group, aniline with the electron withdrawing group. What is meant by basic nature here? Which basic nature we are discussing here? It is the tendency to donate the electrons, right? Which donates electrons more, which has more electron density. How the electron density will increase? When electron releasing group is there, they'll release the electrons towards the aniline, and electron density on the nitrogen increases, then easily it can donate, right? That's what. Second one is highly basic one. Now we have third one, right, electron withdrawing group. What they'll do, they'll pull the electrons towards themselves. When they pull the electron towards themselves, what happens? Electron density on the aniline decreases, nitrogen decreases, a tendency to donate the electrons decreases. That's what third one is the least one. Then what is the remaining thing? The first one. This is the order, general order. Now let us see here one particular statement. Ortho substituted anilines are less basic due to steric inhibition of protonation. In the case of last one, we have discussed steric inhibition of resonance in the with that is nothing but the ortho effect. Here also the same thing. With ortho effect, right? Acidic nature of aromatic carboxylic acid increases, but with ortho effect in the when it comes to what we call basic nature of amines, right? With ortho effect, it is decreases. Now, why it is decreases means in the case of aliphatic amine, we have already discussed. When we take it in a polar solvent, such what happens? Along with the electron releasing group nature, right? The hydrogen bonds also stabilizes the conjugate acid of the respective amines over there. Similarly, here also it has to stabilize with the protonation over here, hydrogen bonding over there. But because of this particular ortho groups, right? What is happening here is that when the radii increases, right, it restricts the protonation over there. It destabilizes the conjugate acid of the respective base over there. That's what, as the ortho effect increases, ortho effect we know, but the substituent at the ortho position, size increases, ortho effect also increases, right? That's what, if we consider these three examples, right? First one doesn't have any ortho substituents, second one has one, third one has two, right? That's what, from left to right, ortho effect is increasing, basic nature is decreasing. That's what the order is, this one. Now let us see this particular example over there. Now we have electron withdrawing groups as a substituents over there, electron withdrawing groups over there. Here what we have to consider? We have to consider the ortho effect and electron withdrawing group nature also, right? Generally, all are the electron withdrawing group. Let us consider the first one is the least stable one because the ortho effect over here. Now, it's electron withdrawing group, electron withdrawing group. Here it is only minus I group. Here it is minus M and minus I group. Because at meta position there is no mesomeric effect, right? That's why second one is the more stable, more basic one comparatively, followed by the third one, followed by the first one. First one, why it is least stable means what we have to remember? Because of ortho effect. Now let us see this particular exception over here. What is happening in this case is that generally ortho effect is more here. Because of ortho effect, what we assume, the respective amines are going to be less basic, right? But it is absolutely wrong. We may think that second one is more basic, right? It is absolutely wrong. Why it is absolutely wrong in the sense, here this particular amines, like tertiary amines, are comparatively the bulkier one, which is substituted in between two methyl groups over there, right? Because of these groups, right, what happens is that this particular amine becomes out of the plane. When it becomes out of the plane, what happens? There is no conjugation, there is no resonance, right? When there is no resonance, what happens? It can readily donate the electrons over there. But here it is on the plane itself, right? When it is on the plane, what happens? It can donate the electrons, right? To occur the resonance, right, we have already discussed in the previous classes. It has to be on the plane, right? In this case, it is on the plane, but in the case of first one, there is no plane. Here we can, in the case of first one, we can see ortho effect and resonating effect also, right? When these two like occurs together, right, we have to consider the resonating effect in the case of basic nature of amines. That is why the first one is more basic comparatively with the second one. Okay, these are all the basic nature of amines. Thank you for watching.